PMJJBY. Click on Start button to commence the course.
तो आपको बस परमिशन चाहिए नक्शा पास बस और कुछ नहीं।
PMSBY is an accident insurance scheme offering accidental death and disability cover for death or disability on account of an accident. It would be a 1-year cover, renewable from year to year. The scheme is offered, administered through the New India Assurance Company Limited in our bank. Click on Next. Now click on each tab to know more about PMSBY. Eligibility for PMSBY is: all individual bank account holders in the age group of 18 to 70 years in participating banks will be entitled to join. In case of multiple bank post office accounts held by an individual in one or different bank's post office, the person would be eligible to join the scheme through one bank post office account only. Aadhaar would be the primary KYC for the bank account. Click on Close. Enrollment period for PMSBY is as: the cover shall be for the 1-year period, stretching from 1st June to 31st May, for which option to join, pay by auto debit from the bank account on the prescribed forms will be required to be given by 31st May of every year. New entrants into the eligible category from year to year or currently eligible individuals who did not join earlier shall be able to join in future years while the scheme is continuing. Click on Close. Now please go through the benefits table as given below and then click on Close.
Yes. Hey Jerry. Hey Jerry.
Now let's see the premium for PMSBY.
Are you deaf?
Insurance premium payable to insurance company, rupees 20 per annum per member. The premium would be reviewed based on annual claims experience. Now let us see the appropriation of premium as: insurance premium payable to insurance company, rupees 18 per annum per member. Commission payable to business correspondents, agents, by the insurer is rupees 1 per member. This for new enrollments only. Administrative expenses payable to participating bank by insurer is rupees 1 per annum per member. Click on Next.
आप महीने के 1000 भी ले आते हो तो
1000 तुम्हें पता है 1000 लोग ढूंढना कितना मुश्किल होता है, फिर इसमें एज क्राइटेरिया होता है।
Now let us see termination of cover. On attaining the age of 70 years, age nearest birthday, closure of account with the bank or insufficiency of balance to keep the insurance in force. In case a member is covered through more than one account and premium is received by the insurance company inadvertently, insurance cover will be restricted to one bank account only, and the premium paid for duplicate insurance shall be liable to be forfeited. Click on Next. Let's have a knowledge check. Read the question, select the appropriate response and click on Submit. That's right.
That's right.
Now let us see about Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana PMJJBY. Click on Next.
जीवन ज्योति और हटाया
PMJJBY is an insurance scheme offering life insurance cover for death due to any reason. It is a 1-year cover, renewable from year to year. All individual account holders of participating banks or post office in the age group of 18 to 50 years are entitled to join. Click on Next.
क्या हुआ पापा? Slide it this way.
Now let us see about benefits of PMJJBY. Rupees 2 lakh is payable to nominee on member's death due to any cause. The premium paid towards the policy is applicable for tax exemption under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. If the insured person fails to submit Form 15G or 15H, then the proceeds of life insurance policy exceeding rupees 1 lakh will be taxable at the rate of 2%. Annual premium for this scheme is rupees 436 per annum per member. Click on Next. The scheme is offered or administered through Messrs. Canara, HSBC, Life Insurance Company Limited in our bank. The cover shall be for 1 year period stretching from 1st June to 31st May, for which option to join or pay by auto debit from the designated individual bank account on the prescribed forms will be required to be given by 31st May of every year. For pro rata of premium, click on Next.
जिस फर्नीचर वाला पेपर नहीं देखे गया था उसमें
For enrollment in June, July, and August, annual premium of rupees 436 is payable. For enrollment in September, October, and November, pro rata premium of rupees 342 is payable. For enrollment in December, January, and February, pro rata premium of rupees 228 is payable. For enrollment in March, April, and May, pro rata premium of rupees 114 is payable. For appropriation of premium, click on Next.
ठीक है मैं
Kindly go through the appropriation of premium table as given below and then click on Next.
हो गई ना ठीक है चलो ये मैं फॉरवर्ड करती हूँ बाकी मुझे पुरानी LSR लगेगी नीले से भी करवानी है ना तो LSR की कॉपी चाहिएगी हाँ नीले से क्यों करवानी है नैंसन मांग रहा है क्या तो नीले से क्यों चाहिए
Now let us see termination of cover. On attaining age of 55 years, age near birthday, subject to annual renewal up to that date entry. However, will not be possible beyond the age of 50 years. Closure of account with the bank or insufficiency of balance to keep the insurance in force. In case a member is covered under PMJJBY with LIC of India or other insurance through more than one account and premium is received by LIC or other company inadvertently, insurance cover will be restricted to rupees 2 lakh and the premium paid for duplicate insurances shall be liable to be forfeited. Click on Next. Let us see about terms and condition which is common for both the scheme PMSBY or PMJJBY. Scheme cover starts from the date of subscription or auto debit request, subject to auto debit request. The personal details of the customer will be validated in terms of information provided by the customer by the time of opening the account. In case of any change, customer is advised to contact the branch to get it updated before submitting the application to the branch. Click on Next. Let us discuss the procedure for claim. Immediately after the occurrence of natural or accidental death or permanent disability of the insured member, claim cum discharge form shall be submitted by the nominee, or in case the nominee is a minor, his or her appointee, insured member, in case of his accidental disability, and legal heir, in case of no nomination or the nominee predeceasing insured member, to the concerned branch, preferably within 30 days from the date of the death or permanent disability. Further, Department of Financial Services has also prescribed a turnaround time for settlement of claims under the schemes. TAT prescribed is 14 days from the date of receipt of claims papers from the claimants. Maximum time limit for bank to forward duly completed claim form to the insurer is 7 days, and maximum time limit for the insurer to approve claim and disburse money thereafter is 7 days. Click on Next. Now let us see the documents required for claim. Proof of death is the only document which is required in PMJJBY, whereas post-mortem report and FIR or Panchnama is required only in PMSBY. Click on next.
पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट प्रूफ ऑफ डेथ
पोस्टमार्टम हुआ ही नहीं
Any
है।
of the documents listed below as
हुआ ही नहीं
proof
होता
of death.
पोस्टमार्टम।
Death certificate issued by the
थोड़ी ना
registrar of
postmortem
births
करना।
and deaths appointed by the state government for the local area. Hospital discharge summary certificate in respect of the deceased person, specifying his or her name, father's or husband's name, address and the date, time and cause of death. Certificate issued by the last attending registered medical practitioner, doctor registered with the Indian Medical Council in respect of the deceased person. Certificate issued in respect of the deceased person by the district magistrate or collector or deputy commissioner of the district concerned, or by any executive, magistrate, additional district magistrate, subdivisional magistrate, Tahsildar or Talukdar etc. authorized by him or her in the prescribed format as per Annexure 3 of HO Circular 144/2023.
जी नहीं लोग
Click
कब
on
कब ये
next.
सर्कुलर का नंबर पूछते हैं क्वेश्चन में। क्या आप टेस्ट ले रहे हो तो सर्कुलर के नंबर पूछने के
Now let us see other aspects related to requirement of documents for death due to accident. Any of the documents listed above for proof of death, along with FIR or Panchnama and the post-mortem report. Certificate issued in respect of the insured member by the district magistrate or collector or deputy commissioner of the district concerned, or by any executive magistrate,
Accident की
additional
नहीं, और-
district
और है सब।
magistrate, subdivisional magistrate, Tahsildar or Talukdar authorized by him or her in the form prescribed in the claim settlement procedure for the scheme.
लेवल पार करने पड़ते हैं
In case of death due to accidents such as snake bite or fall from tree, etc., hospital record specifying the deceased member's name, father's or husband's name, address and the date,
सब है ना,
time and
STM
cause
सब
of
और
death.
करके
Click on next.
खाना
खाना खा लेंगे चलो
ले आऊँ
बन गया क्या
हाँ बन गया ले आऊँ
अभी नहीं फिर तो बाद में
बाद में
एक ही बैटिंग किया है या नहीं कोई एक मौलिक थोड़ा ठीक किया और एक ये।
In case of death due to the accident, snake bite, fall from the tree, etc. Hospital.
वो क्यों बताएगा स्नेक ने काटा कि क्या काटा, वो तो
तभी
डेथ
तो
सर्टिफिकेट
accident
बनवा
होएगा।
एक्सीडेंट मानेगा ही नहीं ना, वो तो डेथ सर्टिफिकेट बनवा लाएगा, उसमें नेचुरल डेथ बता देते मोस्टली यही करेंगे।
नहीं होगा क्लेम
नेचुरल डेथ का तो है ना, उसके लिए कुछ नहीं चाहिए।
सुरक्षा बीमा योजना एक्सीडेंटल है
Let us discuss some additional points regarding claim.
उसमें accident
Branches should verify the premium debit for the applicable policy year during which the death or disability occurred at the time of submission of claim papers by the claimant. In case of any discrepancy in deceased or nominee name, an affidavit from nominee or claimant to be obtained clarifying the same.
पसंद ही नहीं है।
If the nominee is a minor, then joint account with guardian or appointee should be obtained. If invalid or no nomination details are entered in freest package at the time of enrollment, the following documents can be obtained. Registered nominee's death certificate in case deceased nominee, family certificate or legal heir certificate or succession certificate, NOC from legal heirs, duly stamped notarized affidavit, and KYC of all legal heirs. Click on next.
नॉर्मल कंपोनेंट होता है ना, सेविंग वाला मिलता
करते
है
हैं ना जल्दी कर दे
जो ना।
Click here to see documents in support of proof of permanent disability.
इतना भी
Documents in support of proof of permanent disability are FIR or Panchnama, disability certificate issued by the civil surgeon, and hospital records supporting the same. Click on next.
बगल में है नहीं इधर एक बॉक्स टिकट।
Now click on each tab to know about enrollment other than through branch mode for both the scheme. Now let's see about enrollment through internet banking. Enrollments received through internet banking will be accepted subject to the correctness of date of birth and nomination details.
क्या नहीं है?
In case the date of birth is different from the bank records, customers are requested to submit the proof to the base branch invariably for updating in bank record, otherwise the application is liable for rejection. Existing nominee will continue. In case of change, kindly contact the branch for updation. Click on close.
तीन क्यों?
Enrollment though business correspondent. Enrollment through BC locations will be done only for those customers who have their mobile number registered in the saving account of the bank. BC agents should collect all application from the customer and same to be handed over in the branch. Branch has to authorize and update the nominee name. This information will also be conveyed to the customer via SMS. Click on close.
18, 28, 28.
Now let us see enrollment through mobile banking. Enrollments through mobile banking can also be done by using all-in-one application. After logging in mobile banking application, customer can avail the scheme through Social Security Scheme tab. Existing nominee will continue. In case of change, kindly contact the branch for updation. Click on close.
हेलो अच्छा लग रहा है
Let's have a knowledge check.
बाल होते हैं ना पाँव में?
Read the question, select the appropriate response and click on submit.
ऐसे लगा
2 लाख है ना?
क्या?
डेथ में
हाँ दोनों में 2 लाख हैं
That's right. You
Congratulations.
Wow.
You have successfully completed the